In this video, I will show you how to add images to an Excel document using the Python library xlwings. On the right, you can see the blank Excel document I will be adding the xlwings logo to. On the left, you can see the directory I am working in, which contains the logo as a PNG file. I start with opening the workbook with the book function from xlwings and then select Sheet 1 as WS. Adding a picture is very easy to do. The worksheet object has a pictures attribute on which you can perform the add function. There are a number of arguments you can pass the add function, but let's start with the most basic, the name of the photo. To get the photo in, you have to pass its name with the file extension. I was having some difficulty passing only the name even though it is in the same directory as the workbook that I have open. So I added the absolute path to that photo, and that seemed to do the trick. You can get the absolute path of your photo by using the path.abspath module of the OS library. Executing this, you can see the photo is placed in the top leftmost portion of the workbook. But what if we don't want it located there? You can add location information as arguments to the add function. Here I'm specifying left and top to designate where the top left corner of the photo should be placed. I am assigning these the left and top attributes of the worksheet's range location. And for this example, I want to place the logo in B4. Executing this, you can see the photo is now placed in a new location. But the photo is pretty large. What if we needed to size it down? The add function provides arguments to achieve this as well. You can see here that you can pass either a string or an integer to the width and height arguments to resize the image placed in the workbook. All other arguments remain exactly the same. Executing this, you can see the same image but significantly smaller. It does look a little ridiculous at the size, but this displays the functionality of this function pretty well. So it's fairly straightforward. All you need to do is access the add method of the workbook's picture attribute and provide the arguments you would like to achieve the appropriate location and size of the image for your needs. Thank you for stopping by and checking out this video on adding images with xlwings. Please let me know in the comments below if it was helpful, and let me know what other features of xlwings or Python in general you would like to see reviewed in future releases. If it was helpful, do give it a thumbs up as it does help other people find this content. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video drops.